Hello, it's Dr. Gudjohnsen. Today we're going to talk about the second sequence of the previous video about the smile and how to reach the perfect smile. So, for example, over here now we have a case, and this is how we draw the smile so we can see the relationship between each is. This is what we was talking about: central incisor, lateral incisor, and canine. So we're following some perfect guidelines to make the teeth itself. The canine should be having like a cusp, but centrals should be wider than the laterals, and laterals should be out of occlusion. So we can restore by this method by two ways: either doing a Hollywood smile veneers or composite veneers. So the conservative way is a composite veneer. So if you do a composite veneer, you're not changing the color of the teeth, you're just changing the shape of the teeth. But if you're going for a Hollywood smile veneers, which is a durability, for the durability is much greater than the composite veneer, because the porcelain or the Emax surface is permanent, so it will never discolor again, because it's not your natural teeth anymore. It's a lens above the teeth. But in both methods we follow the perfect guideline of the smile. I hope I answered how to some part in and some options how to reach the perfect smile. And if you have any questions, you can put it down below in the comments, either on a Facebook or on the YouTube or on the TikTok channel, and we will answer it on the YouTube channel, Dr. Gudjohnsen, in the next video next week. Have a nice day. Goodbye.